Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your business reputation with Better Business Bureau, complete guide step by step clearly. Establish your business with the Better Business Bureau, or BBB, to enhance your credibility. Visit the BBB website and navigate to the Start with Trust section. Click on Get Accredited to begin the application process. Fill out the necessary information about your business, including its name, address, and contact details. Provide details about your business operations and the services or products you offer. Submit required documentation, such as business licenses and registration certificates. Review the BBB's standards for accreditation to ensure your business meets their criteria. Once your application is submitted, wait for the BBB to review your submission. Be prepared to answer any follow-up questions or provide additional information if requested. If your business meets the standards, you will receive accreditation. Display the BBB accreditation seal on your website and marketing materials. Respond promptly to all customer inquiries and complaints. Maintain open communication with customers to build trust and transparency. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on the BBB website. Regularly monitor your BBB profile to keep information up to date. Address any negative reviews or complaints professionally and constructively. Use feedback from customers to improve your products or services continuously. Participate in BBB events or workshops to engage with the community and enhance your presence. Leverage the resources available through the BBB, such as dispute resolution services and business mentoring. By following these steps, you can effectively protect and enhance your business reputation through the Better Business Bureau. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.